Yummy pineapple cake. Let's see how it is made. For this, I have taken 30 gram of corn flour and sifted. To this, I have added 150 gram of all-purpose flour and sifted again. Now add 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and 1.5 teaspoon baking soda and sift everything together. I will sift the dry ingredient 3 times so that it is fluffy and airy. Now for the wet ingredients, I am taking 5 eggs in a clean bowl and will beat it till it is light and fluffy. To this, I will add 180 gram of powdered sugar in increments and will beat till it's become thick. Add the dry ingredients and mix them with the cut and fold method. Mix 60 gram of hot water and 40 gram of hot oil and add this to your cake batter. Don't mix your cake vigorously, otherwise it will become less fluffy. Our batter is ready. Now pour it in a baking dish. Now bake your cake at 170 degrees centigrade for 40 to 45 minutes in a preheated oven. Our cake is ready. I will place it upside down so that our cake doesn't shrink. When the cake is cooled down, I will release its edges and put it on a plate and cut it into 3 equal parts. Frosting, I am taking 800 ml of sweetened whipping cream in a cold bowl and will whip it till stiff peaks are formed. Make sure your bowl and the whipping blades are cold. Now I am placing little bit of my whipping cream on my turntable so that during frosting my cake doesn't slip. I am taking some pineapple juice and with the help of a spoon spreading over my first cake slice. Now frost your cake with some whipping cream and pineapple slices and decorate it. Cake is ready. Enjoy it. And don't forget to press that bell icon and like, share and subscribe my channel for more such amazing videos. Thank you.